not going down backwards this time. Definitely the best ride here, by a mile. Woo! Right, we'll go for your favourite then. So choose a song, Tropical Storm. Alright. Right, I think so. Right, see you on the other side. Here we go, Tropical Storm. I can't hear the music very much. This is much better, I can see where I'm going. Need a bit of a clean, these slides. This is the slowest slide in the world. Oh, it's pitch black in here. Smile! Smile! I'm laughing again. This was a bit slow this time. Lovely weather. Lovely sunny weather now.